Time herbal mixture and I may come for the amount furniture license chem cash or pharmacy shop BMO Obenya time herbal a year mixture be to me at all. Time herbal center for NY time herbal mixture my Ghana moha baby any afro 0244 417 669 se malaria padia in time herbal mixture. Me pacho a free busumi ya yeba besimu eye April 2nd April ekono se obe sendi sika ewo o MTN Momo account no so obi be receive sika na be sendi sika a free 2nd April ekono you be requested say ubenya valid national ID card. Anytime you have a visit Momo agent point be as or perform any type of transactions. Anytime who be here say ubenya a year or valid national ID card no sayira kona ko twafo fro kona ko pefo fro anya sa a free next month e kona be yere so betumi send this car and I betumi receive this car MTN so everywhere you go MTN no more di baby yo baby ya do no Papa Bells ya activate phone line no na yemfa confessions emra hwe me patcho wutie me na you find yourself in a situation be a won't pay, but you find yourself doing it, but won't pay, but a cow kwa na uhu de crab ba be show mu ade ne ba say yeah and so we ye na wanu wo ho wonya yanka ube biasem no so akiro bi na nka nipa na tumi ama advice kakra. But okwa kanche nipa no usuro so ahwe yi a is no more a secret na nipa no anso akoton wa ma obi enu nti odi ade na hwe ho saa ade no so hwe e de ba ade a ena awie yi ye me pese ofre me but membo udin ba bia ofrefin so menka but e de ba ade a e ka won ko an se wo hwe wa e de ba ade na ya e be show mu se ye but uye wi anu adu ho e de ba ade a dear bad dear, what is that secret adiana a woman obi anim na sad na e show unya ya ka be mo bi so ama advice wo ho anope anawie ye ma ye relationship expert ye ordained pastor and marriage counselor and counsel ye after your confessions no but say dear me person be on telephone line no ama me no afre me na ye tumi atwetwe nkomo membo udin ba bia ofrefri no so menka Papa Bills and I know okay abrante ba ko say why masturbation so many years ama say odwin krampa ensiso okay abrante ba ko so ne kraman die I know so be ka chiro bia counsel no these are issues are cost underground pacho e dia badia na counsel why yankwa homa no so good afternoon me pacho membo udin why baby our fresh menka me person obi abe say why okay o confession dear mommy
my confession is before 17 to 20 years may abortion fight
say what do you say
22 me 22
years how many times why abortion 5 times.
Yes.
Okay.
It was a coincidence because the person who impregnated me did not want to accept the fact. And the last fact abortion I did cost me a lot. Institute a mania infection from what I did. I regretted and I've changed my ways because I really focus on my future and what is ahead for me. So I want to advise the ladies out there: if you are young, you should not be involved in any men or relationships that will lead you to.
That's right.
Cost your life.
Now, apart from infection, what are some other newman na wompa sa abortion 5 fee ababeja also.
No, you come from a poor home.
Okay.
You don't have money. You have to care for your school. Everything. I was depressed.
You are depressed.
And I was stressed.
Wow.
And I couldn't do anything. I had to take care of myself.
Not just say, "Wo na kwa say utrimu, asa utrimu emre nti be ma ne kan ya no wa bie mu ana say
baby. But you know, sometimes you don't have money.
Okay. International say ahochire nso ka ho. Okay. You, mommy.
I'm basa.
Okay, but you men kasa bibiri kakra na ye. Why? Yeah, that's it. Papa Bells. Yes, Sam yenko anim. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, 0302 216 562. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Me ya member udi ni baby afrefi member why?
Pacho.
Me pacho into your confession.
My confession say like many girl been a war for about 7 months. Now it's again on the opinion me man about my friend say bia me ko ejuma nti bia obe ade bi wo fie man ya on person we ba nti e woman na say na economic review na me last Monday my friend can say relationship no meeting to us again and also churching some you be ba say na work no me tia and the same
na o say ya omra fie me dey
say I am equate my tibia say minima yefi ana say ebia obenu aduane si o me ko ejuma be ba na ebia
na anye bia no why no ho ade ana ya o ge keke
oye mi go ba me or introducing me to parents and I mean to be introduced into a woman or ba me but for that 7 month period no many years
it's just ometo horo ni mama no mama boa wo fiade ye no ntina wadwa no
like it's only time mama
only time emma na oye adwuma na say
no onye adwuma
oh okay
onye adwuma but every week be am money chop money
say
ebo say adwuma no ye new contract into a week be meet money 70 cities and 80 cities
80 this week woman say
this week money 70 cities
woman 70 Ghana na e dey na esi kwan so be no ho ade
to I don't know like not send all no Miss Rose be like she's cheating on me or no and I say this
why do you say she's cheating on you
yeah sana my dream
because say onya time in the month why do you say she's cheating
because say onya time
it's no ama won so uni any interest be so go a step further to marry her right
me nya akamaye ba ono no mfa na dream man
okay a counselor bebe why me da se pa okay yes sem yen kwedi hello good afternoon ojina so on kasa hello good afternoon okay 0302 216 561 hello good afternoon mama I want to say we but your member with you why me pese obi abo say wa okay yenti your confession mo wo ho as dey
okay you and I
okay okay to your boyfriend girlfriend okay for how long
almost 3 years
3 years okay koso
and I am happy
edi na bem
ya wo baako
oh okay akoda na di say
okonya
okay what's akwanyim biem any be makro na na wo ye adwuma na be ma ne ye adwuma enti say no oh how any say
so no any attitude that or
if you can not the book and it's like about 2 weeks ago, also go for and one guy. I just men come and the I'm my
I say call mommy ho. I didn't know say call mommy ho.
Because of attitude, what some make us.
Only say first one or my call mommy ho. Second one, you know, so call mommy because as a was saying attitude as a
yeah.
A dear bad no, yeah, as I said, into saying attitude as a
I don't you know, care about colony. If you can be here
okay. Now, how does it make you feel? Who feel say? Who feel sense here? Emma, who feel say?
I just see me come and me want me I don't know how I know. Yeah, one example, I show why that.
Na anya bia no so obey ho ade de. Ana ho de. Okay, you counselor be counsel why? Mati. Baba be say pick last call nka ho na yenkofa Reverend Councilor Oscar Sweepy. Why? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But your member di why?
Bacho.
Na ni enti confession.
Bacho bese councilor Ebuani. Bacho my name is hearing you try to those Yanyaba.
More worry for how many years?
1 year.
Okay. Now some more tries are munyaba.
Bacho.
Okay.
On yanko pe akola adopt akola
o wife ne se bonko adopt akwada
bacha
ni reason ne saying
and o say mbese on person beja
aware no
bacha
na anye bia no makohu doctor makoye fertility test ama mo hu se munyina mo sexually sound me chase makoye fertility test wo wakoye fertility test
bacha dey
say was your fertility test na doctors who say am power sperm na hoodin wom multitude na doso
bacha
na anye bia o wife no nso wakwakohu doctor am ya fertility test amano
bacha.
Now, what was the result?
But results by na say on to me wo
result in say on to me nyade
on to me wo akola
result in say wo wife on to me wo
kacha
aden wakoye bibi pema ne wumbo no problem aba ho ana
ajo endi onya kanche
na wabisa no
mabisa no
ena osesei
osi anu kan ya no wawa
osi onokura na ya no wawa say doctors ne say fertility test chese ontume wo
bacha
na anya bia wakoba bi ba akopa na so free osa akọ another place esa akọkọ check wo hozo
bacha we no call.
Okay, Mate, counselor be counsel mo why
Councilor
be counsel mo ti ye ben kasa pi kakra na ye counselor be counsel Papa Bills patch fa phone calls ni sia ti en frɛ counselor why and he try say yen sabet mi aka Reverend Councilor Oscar Sweepy but the door master any Pobiman paint depot and free who see what die o ya building contractor o ya estate developer ankrankra who see what die hwe o door akromfo be wiawa o door enye papa akromfo tumi bu door ani yetumi bu punani se de who see what die a mesro use security doors na fa si open no ano ebe boa ye pa esan say security doors no eden se akromfo be eden ebe penetrate etumi abehwia wajapade no wan dutranye krampa ya san eku asa repi eye wabusuafo ede aka ho hwe open exterior security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armor doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, any type of door biano we hear no door master and it will be my paint depot and it be a was said would do any chile a horse a paint depot is say news paint one more a year paint a hodwa water. Now the good thing they say one more a year package from the man sorry schools, offices, government institutions, any individuals are mo pese mo to paint no ahodo bebre na mo tumi de kokoye mo dwuma no ade am se the promotions from kwa ba mo friend no paint now and pay later at no interest, pay over 3 months. We big news powerful mo musimo dan nyina uniska de be painting e bia wo dan no so ayedada opeso ye painting opeso renovation brana beji painting no na tua no kakra 3 months ye spread it at the amount door master any po be my paint depot hwehwe kira kwan ye wo Kumasi Accra highway no so wo po be my toll booth just before the toll booth on your right ubehu a door master any po be my paint depot from our so 0542 745 222 0542 745 222 na ono won enkasa se de ankwa homa no so na ye ne marriage counselor entwetwe nkomo ordained pastor entwetwe nkomo relationship expert entwetwe nkomo Reverend Counselor Oscar Sripi and anything. Rev, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Black.
Now what to say?
I'm not doing something.
Miss Mitchell catch a Rev. This I say $1 si ba unkwa na audio mama.
Mr. Papa, okay, Mr. Papa. Okay, don't let me, Mr. Papa. Don't let me, Papa.
Africa say bibi abako de. Nyame adom. Me pacho yan hwe eye encrofo confessions a wo mo emeki enwa ha. Me pacho so tumi monitor bi na obe start ya na nka ba bia wan tumi monitor na nka matwe wa adwesi so adaroma.
FC Batina na ABC or the guy be awuminu.
Aye.
But on wale no.
Sir.
Oh, yeah, me say like me chief people na.
We the counselor Mr. Robin Chawano and she went a step further to say I feel cry the bema no say the bema ni fini bio okoka che bema ni say na say ne subaya sesa na feel cry the bema na dwalai kra.
Fantastic the way that we na me you know why you fantastic. Oh, if you make say oba if you beton sana beton. Oh, oba bia na win you attract the attention of Mema. But the way I will bear carry on and the way will be of power Sunny beto. And to be it make us say before we worry get we no. Before we no company naba. Why? Because we must say oba no woman there's value around that person. It took Jacob 14 years wages. And not just 14 years old. Or you 14 years and say no the why Richard or Babaku because of Dono and no value. But say what do woman keep there? Say how go over the men the moment no say why you won't come win obey you so. Black if the infant is the first aquarano a mistake. Infant is a mistake. Into why a mistake back? No na nani pani worry wa. What in the but the way why you know I was a guy no see any value I guy no a from and the guy got a be a gun but say oh meanwhile you and I say now in you no attacking no more for that's what the guy is looking for. And I think to behave that way no. On say it should come to war. The first glass of water no only fast because I think it's come to. But second one not be there you deserve for starting a coffin. Uto cheaper see a never honey. Maybe I'm a catch a man. A man they cracking you know black So Basi or man in da. This so forcing. But me man say you, me person no baby better. No baby didn't suffer anything no. Okay. So who your bar position who you and my money the as you are growing up no. They'll come. We buy the super, we buy your permission, we can't also of things. But you must know your value and put value on yourself. Into the mess you hate you and body, you know. Ronaldo you kill body because value done so. For your bar, now then and your body man, all the chipedia. Say the only thing that you can do is the Bemano the bush for. Don't country this is what the guy is doing now with you. And the no more the only for the way forward. The other aspect me a bushia for a bush for me from top. Some man could be love you a call back one. So that they don't take advantage of any more. A bit to be a nothing by Basa. Also, says about who one shiny not the vessel. I would to fear one a bit now. But now, not the about no. A man, until the way of the tone, and the way over of pound, son and never number you. Malbon number 1 come on, never go me. Me showing him. Support this and I'm going to on him at the back on him and then lieutenant. What thing is no, if you two is your bed. Black and Queen.
Yo, Councillor, and sorry. There was this Abrantia Bakon also for our wife for Martina for 1 year.
Like there's another one. Guy be so only baby. And 97 months. Now money every week because man 70 or 80.
Yeah, 70 cities.
Na get no also me wash man. God get him man. Or person who deserve related. Wow. Only Obama as Beman. You're not supposed to be thinking. Okay. Be Obama birthday. And I once in a while, quick match an idea. But this year also, on now count, he said, "Oh, getting top money every week. Top money, I am the part of the top money in the name of what? Me and I said, and he also said, yeah, because of money is coming. He had the audacity to say, I'm the washing mommy. No man need me, mommy. In the name of the in the name of the But I don't blame him. Oh, and my own, we are banning them and my own. Sometimes, Grano. So come to her. Also, we get levels. And yet, the beer of the man out. Yes. The people cannot say you underwear, fancy about one and you know. Maintain your dignity. By a month every week, yeah. The people who feel that you must also come and do something for him. And they are living like a husband and wife. Into me, mouth of money. That's what he said. Every week, 72. It's because of the mouth that can. Who's been also be watching man, also been with many money. Please. What I'll tell him is the reason why I'm I just say again in the watching man, I don't need that money. It's kind of the man. So, on you ready for that, Onja is Canima. Onja, Onja Yeri. Ojaya. Like the initials on the washing manual. Then once in a while, no, obey me supporting the pan. Only your band no more. Don't be stingy, Emma. No. Support the lady. But this issue of in code me top money, man. Top money, the mama worry you. Top money is not for those who are not married. So ask can answer me. Until every week, almost having. Until also baby be mommy.
I say, Ophelia entitled.
Yes, he feels it's entitled to that because sending him every week 70. Who should know your money? I want to know. Okay. He wants 70 every week. Who should know your money? It's only Canima. Once in a week, not a potino. Or move it not at the channel. But this regular 70 every week, you know, and it's for those who are married. I'm on my wife, I'm say, okay, here every week, minimum 2,000, and every week, minimum 500. It's for those who are married. And the more you are doing that, the more you think that or anybody will be demand.
Sir.
On your side,
okay, Councillor Yanshe.
Normal, but the
Thank God. Thank you. Me patro Yanshe a year abrante no a or say on any wife for more worry for 1 year. That 1 year no one more ya awo emba. Na or no the no onko ye fertility test, but the wife na ko fertility test. Na okwa fertility test no now the result is na doctor for no say enya dia obetumi awo. Oba no betumi awo. But obisa na wife no say onim dada no say oba no say onim dada mpo say bibi sampo ye den e ho no kra eye no wanwanti ne wife no kra say ne sa de a wo monko adopt eba.
What I will say is onusu ko ye ni test onusu nye ni the results they back na so no ye filter and then the wife ni ye filter on me wo do ya then they can sit down and discuss that issue.
Okay.
No, I'm not saying no.
Okay.
You see, once a body in Abano, he has been transparent, he has been truthful.
Okay. Yo. And finally, there was this lady. Onokra the later say advice no dem the fellow young lady said why abortions 5 times na ade ahokyere enso eka ho bi pa e ma ne ye but she said she we did 22 years but we free sa tebia nim she was starting here no so adwuma and your man started a move edemano
me tie no to she has done very well ahokyere beba. Okay. Sometimes they make on a certain week. One say, I want to not see a buyer, no, and solve any problem, no. It's seen now, also was I say, what it means that time, no, not on no foot and water banner, or to the book a cry, and the view will be one. Oh, sometimes you want to more, you're untraceable. But Otoboa Obi, Namibe Yobi, no Bebuao. They are helpers in life. Okay, San and Yakuayam. Obi wa only in crowd, but Nakumet Bebuao. But I'm happy that what she did, she has realized that you're here no and solving the problem. Rather no, a critical problems, man. I know Jinasu or the advising young lady. It's very good. But what I'm saying is that Mama Cochran. Yes, I'm with you, but if you can relax, Obi, Baba Bois. Now, me think you promise. Look, Obi Dabontiu. Obi Dabontem and there, by ye. Obi, the Gary Raw. I'll be a sugar tanker, how we got and never ye. So things will happen. Abortion, I say, open power. So be catch us say, you move up here.
Okay.
Bible, the life of a man is in the blood. No, life near Mujam. Engine Cain, Oku Eberno, Nakubo catch and say, the brother need go to the telling another. So, it means that the life no Mujam. The Bible can't Jeremiah see. Before you were formed in your mother's womb, I knew you. See, before you were formed in your mother's womb, I knew. When you were like a clot of blood, okay. So because of abortion, and there are repercussions. And the so beside say, what other things are at the right time? No, Namia Duma, given opportunity. No, we'll speak about this abortion repercussions in the
That's right.
But I thank God say, Onankasa, Wababa, will use our platform to advise young girls, young ladies.
Sir.
Man, worry, men for you draw some manu. If you're not ready, men could be on abortion. And you say, Nipa. Because Nipa life, I will thank God for her life, whatever she is. then you have an opportunity using the platform of compassion
okay.
to advise the young lady.
Okay. Yo, Councillor, na unim bibi me pesenka me was segment be a motivation segment, a football segment. Na baby adu de mema 1 minute na nka why yes segment no e de amaye a football in 60 seconds, a football ben e na odebema obia otie yen ene anwumre.
If you make say life is cause and effect. No cause and effect. Whatever you sow, you reap. So be very careful about new man. Yes, along the line, no. Sometimes you go through things, but you're true, God will bring helpers. I repeat, God will always bring helpers. It's a wood say when you say you be one to be new. Men be in there, but so be new. Life, a cause and effect.
Okay, Councillor, you made it. You better was CP. Say only to me atwetwe enkomo. And you break.
Don't you media? But don't listen to your papa.
Me pa so se dia na me kanche papa.
You see dollars now then your papa.
Yo, any me ka kire no. Me ka kire na me nso magye me dia edia. Mate wadaruma waka meka na me nso magye kakra because nipa hiamoa. Yo, Councillor CP wada CP. Okay, that was Reverend Councillor Oscar Sripi and Motene Nkano. Na aha Dom 106.3 FM. Na Taraj ene JK product no. The same kwadana starting school. Omonya starting school ni die. You be here exercise books. You be here crayons. You be here pencils. You be here pencil case. You be here math set. Just said the kwadani di sua die nyina no. Ni nyina ni be nya ni nyina bi wa ye na Taraj JK Company Limited. One of the sole distributors of na Taraj ye products e my Ghana mu ha. And until open dodo etu akoton say bia wo outside Accra person we tuna the call region na okokoton wa woni JK products for to me one the sole distributors of natural products ewo my Ghana mu ha say and until no for any chire ho and after one more supply in 0540 125 999 0540 125 999 sheshe JK Company Limited sheshe chira kwan ye obehu won ewo number 60 Otublohun Street close. Number 60 Otublohun Street close. Obey Christ Embassy North Industrial Area Yepa. One more JK exercise books, JK 5-star A4 A3 papers. Any educational materials in Yano. Well, Tony Nebi ha or do any chiro how to me and Nebi now so to me I day I share also wo how far. DSTV swire de Aquaba DSTV sona I de say the channel 150 Aquaba Magic on a year compact to premium bouquet you welcome. We welcome you to the Aquaba special offer 179 Ghana cedis from a year 229 or more to so about 179 only on DSTV. I say it's your moment so much more. This is our Dome 106.3 FM Key Soap Heritage Activation. It is still on the month of March. Yenarazi. Nothing brings back the smile to your faces like remembering the good old days. Okay, a Key Soapy or the better not the second we say okay those days. Mame, your money now be go up on here. Now you Key Soap near the second we say okay, some memories, and I'm telling you, a tradition of smiles, a future that bright. Happy Independence Month. Key Soap, I say still. A man sign boafo. Oh, radie. Nasa opesa wadie na uhron. Enida ho ye padia. Ye Key Soap. Key Soap. Ye di baby. See? 106.3 FM in your ears. Never again.
You go survive when you mama when you see you look smart. Hey, party man so not the copy. This year I am better man. Sika say ne baby. This year I am the man. TV series tin. This year I am shada man. Jump on the Monday to Sunday. So for am better man. On our way to riches. On our way. Fire bomb poverty. Far away. On our way to riches. On our way. Fire bomb poverty. Far away. Oh, bad you. Yeah, baby. Oh, bad you. Nah, baby. Oh, bad you. Yeah, baby. Oh, bad you. Nah, baby. Oh, bad you.
Charlie, I say like baby, like I see a mo. At the time my fans say me, I don't believe it. Later boy, moko wabo. At the time it is suffer, at the time they beg you. Moko wabo. As I dey look for the money, as I dey follow the journey, as I dey call my God, you know that my time will tell you. Time will tell you. Poverty go away. Riches come my way. So I say, one dollar. What can I do for my hoodie?
Party man soon and the copy. This year I am better man. Sika say ne baby. This year I am the man. TV series tin. This year I am shada man. Jump on the Monday to Sunday. So for am better man. Daddy, I be a boom, some simple. We rent to we prepare the gas and the speakers.
You're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Oh, I get to stop and see me to talk to my body. I would tell them, me did it sell me a moment. Me to talk to my body, me did it send to go and see if it's a beer. Georgia Mujo, the Sapon, cause I want to be a hobby. Georgia Mujo, the Sapon, I be mistress, I be a hobby. Georgia Mujo, the Sapon, I be mistress, I be a hobby. Georgia Mujo, wouldn't say shine, or extra so very good trend. But to the very innocent, pretty girls so down the pass the same. Baby, busy a shine, or as about accent very good trend. But to the very innocent, pretty girls so down the pass the same. It's a me and I'll be Georgia Mujo. Oh, be a good uncle, and me and I'll be Georgia Mujo. Oh, be a the pattern, the other, let me and I'll be Georgia Mujo. Oh, be a the pop, oh, be a the pop, let me and I'll be Georgia Mujo. I don't love you, but I don't know you well. You may love me too, but you may have someone else. Me never done my I'm so many women. Baby, why I'm a sound on me? I'm so much in no be for free. Into me name, I come at you. I want that chick called time, my name. Not sure I'm going to be with it.
Adum FM, all the hits and more.
Ofia Kwanso Ebusia meeting the Kwesi Apia obetimi afra me black eye
me fita crowd me your when I'm abaha me baby see onyuku ni na me nyatena nti me nyo waka kan de kese na pa me pedo pap you pana go feel nya ma nti tase na chance me go so ma mo so ma sha de ba daddy got to say wa
them the is about me, yeah. Them girls is about you too. Them the talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I'm gonna play me like I'm gonna go to the top fire. I'm gonna play me like
Adum FM 106.3, feeling you deep.
I'm gonna move with him, they go counting the paper, $10.
Them the sissy for me, yeah. Them the sissy for you too. Them the talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I'm gonna play me like I'm gonna go to the true fire. I'm gonna play me like goodness and mercy shall follow me, so me no further no enemy. On top of blessings, me belly can't hungry. Above it and color me. My table full up and I run over. My cup it a run over. I'm missing pull up, me them back over. Them no like say me take over. Them the sissy for me, yeah. Them the sissy for you too. Them the talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I'm gonna play me like I'm gonna go to the true fire. I'm gonna play me like come like a kite, me come to them like some kite, Santa Wale come like a kite, forever and ever, I'll be a soldier, forever and ever, I'll be a leader, forever and ever, I'll be a teacher, forever and ever, I'll be a father. Call me your IGP, salute to me anytime. Yes, I'm master. Call me Duncan Williams, amen, sound what I be. Hallelujah. I don't go think dog you, cause I know say I they love you. I be your father, so we don't waste no time. Money we account every time, more dollar. In the boy, tago just come and shining quavo, chuchu trouser. Go lay no longer do never. Yeah, that border. So me I humble myself. Anyone me step man down to the earth. Shut me, she and me beat to the girl. So me scared, I'm like, Hi. Shut a wall, I come like a kite. Hi. Shut a wall, I come like a kite. Hi. Me come to them like some kite. Hi. Shut a wall, I come like a kite. Forever and ever, I'll be a soldier. Forever and ever, I'll be a leader. Forever and ever, I'll be a teacher. Forever and ever, I'll be a father. Wale, come from Sogo Bago. Wale, they run the show and them back to Wale, they make the door and them bow. Wale, open the crack.
Ofia Kwanso, Ebusia, meeting the Quasia Pia, which me a friend black.
Running the streets, we don't see haters. I can rap way as I 60 acres. Master Gazi punching hammer monto. I shall better. Badora, come over, Coco Zagora. I shall better. Yeah, come up here when you be. I shall better. Badora, come over, Coco Zagora. I shall better. Yeah, come up here when you be. I shall better. Hey, when in the test, some could eat kaji. Yeah, could you shoot could eat kaji. Wanga waka, Bawasabani, kaji, Kofani, kaji. I said, yo, bro, no one cook. But see, my finger bro, when your band so make a team and yambo, men are cool, look women, what don't come up. Get the man in, I believe in the style. Tic tac, all filling the boy, six pack. Make one straight, us a zigzag, big bats, dancing bats to the sick track. One Talamilla, one Tenameda, come into a fiancé to Mandela. Forget to Pena, on no crown in Mr. Kamijawa. I shall better. Badora, come over, Coco Zagora. I shall better. Yeah, come up here when you be. I shall better. Badora, come over, Coco Zagora. I shall better. Yeah, come up here when you be. I shall better.
Shipping with gin, our rocky with sneaker to Lale Lavender, a grass a carpenter and teacher. Yan cannot show Africa, and swimming growth with the Nimbasia charisma, dear Joe. If you can take this sweater, and I would tear ya was some bossy and leather and pressure. As at the force on the yes, I did Nimbasia to say, oh, pretty stretcher.
That's how they careful what as anti-40.
If I were banned, this started to Dora, or what time and the panda Coco Sakura, or Mukraya, the crown of your
Mepacho, the alligator sports at the bros is here. But then when our royal drinks, the piano, dear. When your royal drinks, so no more to say yes. If you are snared, the sense royal drinks, the flavors and so at deck. When your royal drink down your meat pie, but I call the boy chill out to see us, BB, than no Royal Drinks. Now, one more a wide variety of refreshing flavors. Ankasa. Anya bia no obia benyani taste. Who taste ne the apple ana. Say apple and your taste a Royal Cola be your taste. Say Royal Cola and your taste a Royal Orange be your taste. Say Royal Orange and your taste a Royal Cocktail be your taste. I tell you, perfect flavors that you need. Feel the magic. Oh yeah, she mubi abusia she andofo she muni be wie peya. Drink back kwa idea him was here Royal Drinks. Royal Drinks. I see you go like him. I see you go like him. I'm telling you. Baby, I turn drinks. Be abenya Royal Drinks. Ibu ho na wetu mi ato open do do dia. Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Go and no do do. And from for ball purchase 0262 351 251 0262 351 251. Now ne Casa Preco for intimate trim company. They say their drinks in the party. Royal Drinks. Now, by kindest courtesy, Jaisu WMP capsules, Bet Boro, Inboost Herbal Mixture, Royal Drinks, Nokia phones, and a Go TV.
Well. Please, Irrigator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigator Sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you to yourself, Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adam FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. What's up, mommy?
Other for me, didn't this Sissy Chum. That they be amity Irrigated Sports. There is no day minty Irrigated because mity manage na me stress
Yo, young faster than from my Nokia, the open mobile phones, papa, you saw a dini Nokia mobile phone. Nokia mobile phone, dear. We use Nokia, only low battery at all quantum pay. We use Nokia Android phones, only low battery in your Symbia, Facebook the whole day. Your phone calls and your business conversation, the concerning you only low battery, near sunset battery, and what do you say, Nokia 4 introduces sleek Nokia Android phones for the Abejas room. Ekuta more megapixels, it's ultra video, ultra picture, quality near J Ankasa, or Nokia 1.3 and a Nokia 2.4. Nokia 2.4, no, it was 32 gigabytes there, and it was 64 gigabytes there. Nina Kitawa, we say open mobile phone at top you so and our touch will be a manipan so when you use Nokia Android phones. It just keeps getting better and better by the day. I have come your body in the building. If any time baby at mobile phones be our my guy number Ubenya Nokia Android phones be her to me at all. I mean, na bibi aboko de
trade up on Yankopon we atempo anu de
na ahwe ani mu a na yete ye hwe ani mu a
yete pray so me no kase so num se so na no akoso awie
yes state of the state of the nation address no 2021 de no okasa for how long?
They said in another no corona nintio or any ntie. And I think that is very good for the nation. Those days you can say o mampani bi ba mu kromo the whole day asem.
I'm telling you. What you say?
Yes, but they say near my ass. Yeah. Opanya no obon tofa.
Na you say wa man na crispy. Crispy.
Akaka de ehia.
Heavy.
And waka no simple so asaka.
Heavy. Now onya highlights bi on the submission.
Okay. Na okasafa soja fo abrabo okrum ha akwan mo fa so se mbesisi adan ama soja fo anya be partner ne afi omo akande ahye omo dwuma mu meni so kwasra obi obara so da omoda bremu atan
of course
sabe ka fracture the do na da bremu enye Macau Michelle Camp, Macau Bema Camp. Most of the camps I'm visiting on. Me nim the me mean to Kwankwa Bruchre, but I'm not impressed.
Yeah.
The young man was here a 2-bedroom house in the Manama de Amomo. Baby who are in Chay.
Yeah, one person only casa.
Say Kuma ya kasa no so ha.
Kasa no so ho. All the chere. Bo she ne dey so she no more.
No san can national identification so ho asem.
What about it?
A free April econo. O card number na eba be o tax number. Your friend tin na e kwa di.
O tin number no.
Yeah, they say o card na okita no. They will incorporate the tax system into the card that you say.
They say we must synchronize the system.
Exactly. Na friend na okwa na okasi me need 10.
Okay.
You say Chroma be brain to tax because we are not able to identify them.
Yeah. Informal sector near more.
We are not able to identify them, but with this system no. Once I work Ghana card ni bin kwa there. How tax wa yemre.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Ono akasa eba no ho aba se obra wa born in the past 60 years no there. For digitization is
I think say digitization side
on say aban kura ye bi sada.
Omo ya because ba we are champion here and I think say Minister of Communications so building one say I think they are doing great. Yeah.
But me kwa dem match say ya dia ya nya ntem. What do you make out here?
Mentiasie.
Ghana for Africa for yeah they almost say a fair developing country. But personally I think that the pace at which African is developing is too slow.
Now you sure say chichide nanti he dey
that be what chichide with the name of as be seen coronavirus ya twa do free abrochire opani. Mo therefore kwa baro no mo sa ne there.
Yo.
Asa se ko to kwa to aso sa we hit ko bad.
Ya yo. Oberi na biya mo ko dia. Ukuma pema beba.
O si ahwe ko to kwa. Ya be say dia apem no mo de bomb pesi o.
Sawa
no mo twa paya. No mo bia come and say say dia.
Oni aba pa.
Ukuma pema forget.
Ebiase we black utrewu a.
Obi mo kwa ba so ni no afa be dia tem.
Black ebiase utrewu a.
Ya akwa ba na nsa. Ya akwa ba no.
Kumasi
Kumasi kontongo. Kumasi me professor no. Kumasi kontongo.
Enye body apem.
Okay.
Eya apem 1000. 1000 a.
Tinye se wukum body a.
Okay. Enti sebe efutu no tu.
Okay. They say we dey bomb pesi adi.
Enye apem a yedie.
Okay.
Ukuma apem a.
Eya apem a eya 1000.
Ma me ka kire se obedi kotoko ho fe wa. Aje so sua de.
Me nsia me ni kotoko ho fe obi a me say. They say apem no ukuma.
Na say apem no. Ya wa apem a ye body e. Na apem a ye 1000.
Eya apem 1000. Sa.
On tiase.
Because I got pin baby, ukuma apem.
Liga e boy afena na kotoko alusu away match baako. Ka kire no.
Until all man statistics no.
And away
omo nyina kra ekọ.
Nti oka kotoko asema.
The way lose.
Eti mo lose na ya away lose ana.
Away lose.
Na ba say you lose.
Rasta for was say me omo ka say put some respect on my name. And my name. What do you say?
Ma do ase pa.
Nti oka santiasa. Black me ho ye pa na. Nze o ho ye fe.
Also why if pa
be afintem nie no
so no to ko live
ahon fa dware wo na nya ahon fa ketwa
live na ma ahon fa nti na sik me ko para se me so me be fe ka
o kra de okobre no asa ba because wo no nya de aba ma ahon kwan
no say this year also ko Europe ni European tour na also this year
na ba se no ko
be me mo
ma wa ya ntwuma ngo
na ko sa anya
bia ba adwuma m hanu say still ahon ko wa
go na Friday me so Friday me madwuma
se wa untumi ntu kwan o Europe na person ko no so be waso be shi o body ya ntwuma wo
amra bia ni ho sa
ba ya ntwima wo ya ntwima wo
an kan central of asa na amra bia ni ho sa sa wo mo pane untumi ntu kwan amra
but se won so e dey say o be ko obi krom
amanya o mabo bra yi o ma mfa wo
o pani a wan na mfa ya ntwima wo eti won preko na ye free iti wo de preko na ye free
ye kama furu ni ye kama da kama
mi wo fa wi ase
eti wa wa dwen se wo be dwani gane wo ensa wo benom
am so benom sa
Hey, gas bia na me dey base ne dey so o repost no two to say
sir
na say possible
base dey o ngo post no two dey o bare
hey obedi
who can say nya na fa ko o biase nyina
fa 2024 na gano
Adu wajai no mo wajai
2021 na say my fresh
wajai
na sane ye ma
wajai
do ja o kala crash Come say don't na ko na papa
ko ya de ko school
chale na ene mo so man pedi say unya ne highlight ni bi obedi
man pedi odin sem bebre na atudwa
that's right
ebi wo ho no ma dada na bi no asa be bo
sa rehash
na emunu bi so ni na mu
be ni den
sem o kan na un se doso ba wana na odi akasa
sa
na man no minim be bia yi se unya na ho odi free
mid 70s pa.
Unso no you be a vocal power pa kasa so with amodin. What we jan now so in mid 70s no jan now so over 1 hour no. Na ho den no baby free dia no den.
Solid.
And vaccine no so bo bia na ho den.
Means ma bo.
Na o sorry there.
Say.
O sorry.
Ahomache call ne ba.
O sorry.
No sorry mentiase.
Me say o about the chili.
Ahomache call so ya onya.
Obi me dia ahomache dey o frame me fa.
Da bi ni kom kwadu call na make.
Ayi.
Ni kam kwadu call no aba wa hu.
Na the one say
obi an ka so na ebusa na me say
sir
am for be e want misconception be there.
Crowd there reporter me yan say no crowd there. Sorry rough. Sorry rough.
Oh kasa from experience ana. Oh kasa from experience.
Na my dream ma so until say awia penny pa bi wadwuma ha. And on firm no say arena dey. If you bring me wrong ade.
Yeah you.
Say bomb me punu mu
more than say be a teenager.
Ni ni kura mu.
Any pressure ba.
Eti ha no pa.
Any pressure ba.
Ya kura no.
Any pressure ba.
And me kwa me o mienu. Say say yes man dia. Me kwa mo mienu at once.
I just say after 7 weeks, 6-7 weeks later.
Ade o wa be ma ho ye den a. Oh.
Nkanta ko be si aduro ni so.
Abante ba kwa do se 1 and 3.
And company for no crime yanko wo mo abewafa.
But the truth of the matter is say wo ho akonya so wo say enye obia ne bo akonya sisi so bitima wo bi.
Sir.
But wo na wo akonya no. Also popo.
Se ne be ya sponsor fa wo number.
Ya identify wa ka first group no. Na say wo no ya at risk pa chain. Obi fufuru bia. Sa ehye no mo ye ya am the selecting ni pa.
Yeah.
You say Kwame interviews are all ye.
Yeah.
Your studio hey. That could be over 100. Will be able to interview Kakra. So I say, it's a conya bani say, will be before home buying. Now, Oya Kukwasa. If you are all your nest ni, I have found 70 years ago. Driver ni bank for. What should I analysis?
Yeah.
Was it Saturday? Mekom, Chimota Mekom, na ABC. Mekom na nimu omo
Sundays come the kwasore kanya.
Omo workers no ama outsiders ni bi kura nya akonya
will be. Okay.
Eden ya ebi e beduru so say also ko minini pe bi omo bon team for some de omo ngo. Enya by force.
By force.
Enya by force.
By force.
Obani ye omo ni say ade a ema na ye hu ni say nipa na ono aye tintin obe na adwen so ngo no. O say endanger the life of okra wakako.
And I make a choice say by force no. Say by force. Vaccine we there. As I say by force. Cause black say me what no be tintin wa ngo. No sound be yam ya. Wa bomi nipa bone. Me say too free Ghana.
No, just say ebedu baby no system no. The system will be such that obewo. The system will be such that obewo. System no be ya ma wa be feeling very uncomfortable. Ti wa be wo.
Abroche ye kwa ni obi wa office won kwa 45 years. O musa passport kwa bo na. Sa for no be ka so ongo. Onko ye abroche. Oni hu sika. But ye mom ntia se se anya wo nko an enti na se ko wo pan ye no. Wa busua ebi oba ba bi okoto na bo ko na de number ase.
O ma me anasa bere bi o TV no akochi akoye.
Sa it is a wo de wo mpe wan kasa ho asema. Think about the rest of the people around you. Or family.
That's right.
Diabetes, abrochrono. Don't discakra. Or no crows say, you know, the media mingo. Could make out here? Was media mingo. Who got with the nursing?
There's a gun for that you no penny. Yan said I'm fancy. So say home for crowds. Yan fancy and say, yeah, radio, need yeah, Dr. Fuiba. So, a woman also for Coroni Pedua. A granny can't say home running. If you knew, oh, yes. Say, I said the black eye koji. I say, home meeting.
Oh, the big out. Oh, me, I've just for example.
Sir, for example, for a while here.
And no crowd, sorry, crowd, don't pay what.
You can't see what bomb pay the whole church.
Yeah.
This is what in the street now, Koji. No, the idea of the hospital, they say, as a samba. They say, how about first you don't want Jimmy? How much church you want for Habras? Yeah,
almost so they do.
Yes, cry, I say, oh, on my also check will say, that's so Yakapa, and I'm one and I do.
Kakara, a drew baby, Oda, and na.
Yeah.
Na starting from a show Canadian. What that?
Now, Oko Buckingham Palace, Queen Elizabeth Pesot say, what vaccine one will be beyond all selfish.
Okay. And she has
so one will be piano. Oh, you're selfish.
Yeah, on me nipa. We are some cause
selfish. That's what
Queen Elizabeth. Because you better not care mu. Obekọ hospital.
Sir.
Obekọ ye adwuma.
Be scam obi. Obeje nsesa. Oni obi be oni chese ye den a. Oni obi be din kita ho.
Na also onwe na person wo chere ewi asem. Kwaku emfa ayi ensembo kase ani aseda ema Ghana under 20.
Yeah.
Ai. Amrante na bo modern papa. Na nyame wanwasa captain ya crowds of okunia. O say go mienu bomu. You say how say there abo Ghana.
Sir.
Out of work.
Openi na nka hwe.
Odi na anu achinie wo.
Chire no mu dwato a ekọ Mauritania ansa na man nya bi abo.
Kwaku and we achinie wo.
Achinie ni
captain no or out of work player. Ana wa mu no ni o say go mienu. Na je cap no.
Say captain kwane captain ne ko tournament first 2 matches no. Ekra no. Bia injury time na ye na bamti. Dwato afiri akwese da bi. Captain die ni ne sa.
Who ye dey who ye?
Oh me ba. Oh. En ho ba kwasem kura ni ho say. Captain a wo lead team dia ko na wote bench. Team try.
Kadi ba.
Na unya bi mo.
Asamoah ya bi da no senior no ye.
No plan na 9 ya.
Ah, so say oba balance.
Na on tie. We bi na ho den so na mo mane mo. Dwato akọ na afi die.
Wana de dwato akọ to go na de ko ana wana.
Me de mi mpani o de ko but dem tie say dwato akọ campo.
Okay.
So ti ase. Ena nam so eja. Ena me na nkasa no. Boy we na nye has to focus emuntia eyi double double player no
aye so
yeah double
aye
okay shooting goal no
double bra abre o wiase na yefade ba ko a
oh place double whole team
na team yes am na kan
sir
team why they say what you nya no ho nkwan
yeah
what you say oba has kakra won man cry say ebi wo mu amunya ntwa nwi
and the team
they say na akobonda 20 ya akonya 2 goals final me na mani age pa ma no as a player ne double
okay
say international team na team kese bi ba no ho sisi anu nya kakra nya na because ne form no nkuta sika Roma na ntie den pa
sir
ati ase the guys say me bi na tafuezi ye ho on na kumase ho na traffic wo pa
the kosi formers
me tike mu ha me say ni obi sa Ford ya first na back ra
American Ford
ni bi no ni pa na so ginam aso team for so ya atwe ko ha wa yosi
wa yosi
ojina kan na edi traffic
ojina Ford ni mu
ojina mu no otwi o balance no ho say
I tell you na abela ni na etia na abela ni na etia accelerator di brake no
obani me say
o manage
ojina kan ni say
I tell you
dem di obetwi
eti me pa ya me gba ni say but ye mo nkwada na baso na ye mo coach Karim Zito and so abaso because COVID time we not me assemble team we no say World Cup na baso automatically nke qualify
we akwankwa dia
Africa under 20 ni board dey pa ni tina ye J 2009 dey no ye timi ko ye ko J world no
yeah say utimi
for no empanimfo wo mpa under 29
35 for now
opani me hu obi odi 20 years and abogi say den sa
o je Mauritania ni as 20 years
ya san keto na say ni
kamera so wadai
o hwa kwa ba akopa ni kotoja ti 20 kotogani
I tell you
kotoja say credo
we say na mfia is a put this so ade eche nsa na ade be yankwa
ya bi ade say udi kan kakra kaso no
I just ade eche uze ya onambi wa ade be yankwa e bisi so ma ade eche
sa
but nyame adom yatimi afamu awini yemo team number so na ma hu sem planifo ni age ba sei no oh say na ayi keta ko akoshi jama nyina
kwala no
oh yes no akoshi jama ayi president so awie ayi em so
okwa
committee dabi ombeba ayi Jubilee House
amba be share na do the cup na
brand ko je World Cup na dia na ya na mba ye mo ka ne ade no
ba we kura se etimi mo mbi
oh dabi etimi mo Africa he ye etimi ebe mo mbi dia batanye ka
sa na be peka kra mo
also peka kra mo
kwaku na ayi abranti obi ase ne modern mo ni nti ebetimi anka last time friend or senior team no friend ayi Banier
I think a player also my friend no for now player also my friend is Alpha Town Banier goes all right there but he was not the best player at tournament
okay
what I say open Ghana your team no your ball pa I think Safatao no ball.
Fatao no so ya idea.
Yeah.
We call your captain or share 2 goals.
And say goals not all right there, but that boy ne vision ne say ne precision ne be on point. Utumu so you be a man di mpanifo na tika kra na Ghana ya
say your friend and tem.
Yes.
And Fatao ni your friend.
Yes na omunya kwa nkonkorem.
Because unko dia brochire sa now from aya ahokeka no e different.
Yeah.
Because they make it out here.
Elia no correct.
Unko dia brochire kakra na ne team kwa nda friend ba. Ba be ball no abedi nsem hu. Na fe de hu de ekusi.
Na Ghana ni hotel brochire o mo ball kra na sem kan no na oto ball.
Yes, ya Messi. Ani Ronaldo.
On the return mobile now, one cat and a jacket.
Oh, this capa.
I'm a cat and a week. Oh, to Bernani Papa crowd in the coil of Colonel Hono. Busumi and Niki a ban and send me a 2,000. I want to be at 20,000, 10,000, 15,000. I'm going to Mutim Papa no crown. 5,000
Mukrama mainstream.
Scabomb and Savannah is Kaketwa.
Kotokofo team no most of the car rentals aka ho ana
David
sir
na wi ase penifo kasa bi se kokraman fere so besi hu na so a
yes Kumasi Asante Kotoko have written to the Asa coach Maswa Kunadu demanding him to pay $22,800 that is $300 per day for keeping the official office vehicle that is the Toyota Fortuner from 19 December 2020 to 5th March 2021 as costs incurred for what they term as loss of use.
Me feel say we en kwala asem.
O ba say Kotoko for say the omu di no yen kwala asem.
Team mpanyimfo di kwala asem. Okay. Maso Okonadu udi bibia to nchen a oye Kumasi Asante Kotoko legend. Wa bobo. Mbeka say odi a team na nimunyam. Nti enye bibi kra na enye coach kra na obi coach kra na se Kotoko e wo sika no so top fortune dia chairman so Okonadu kra enye ehwe. What I say? Ipara be coach team wa anye bone. O se ne performance nti on pe baby.
Wona ma ne call you.
Yes, and I make can say ade o mo ye na sebi. Nye asem bia na ye kan kekra. Me kai se me team as Okonadu interview. Em say sa story nkra be ye wa. O ka say ni sika bia kamu a up to now no ankasa kra no. Ohun say okọ reporter ma FA so reporter ma.
Our soft spot in my team no.
Yes, in Saka because of relationship our team no mpanifo ewo. And em say afi de watena hwa won ti omon kan okọ dia koma players status committee because on team so ya nopa. E me gina training grounds say me be danka.
Da be na yire kura ba hwe say ukoye adwuma ni sika ka wo ho.
So ti ase na kadenden suban na nipa bi pese omode bewura Kotoko no.
Kotoko kasa de nye ne o mu ya kadenden ya che.
Yeah.
Na no bi ko tie Thomas Inte wo say anum na wo bo ma mu free te kama shi na ma tia ka.
Titi brothers di mo chi a anka na adwuma nka.
Ke Thomas bo anum Kotoko yo. Be si me sika na nko. Sa de ne de enye enkade de Kotokofo abroso. It is say no I cannot do no or to di sika na mbati ti we free one nantinam makofa sa aka ye ba ya na.
Onu so no se bia tintehu otua oto a. E ya na ye uri ntreja.
Me jare ba so we.
E be she oto. What is it? Etu wonu nim se bia ye de o ka obetwe mansun. Ye yi wadi a se wo ha multimedia ma ka na ye yi wadi a na oda so multimedia ka na dwaso nsem bo ho. Na odi nam kure. Me ba na odi nam kure mu di atrantwie.
Kotoko tro ko ma no anfa ka na ma.
Kosa papa to ko de ka ko e.
Me say Kotoko atro man say ye gia ka anu anfa nko ana.
So ana ka ye say
se me wa say me multimedia ayaduma. Na ye say me ntwe me ho. Na ka wo me ho.
Ai black eye na no kai wo ma obi.
Aye by one yabi.
I'm not saying you my senior staffs.
Senior staff they say na sample for dem. One Jerry Justice.
Me say senior na da
One Jerry Justice.
When you me pesa de na. Obani the fan say kai ama obi. Na wonya ye say obenya konkrofo yi wa. Na wo kwa na dwa so nsemi bo ho na
konkrofo le ho. Wala wo konkrofo. Na
ne jaso semi bo
na say ya no na
bet me LPMs kakana
ye bie
ne
jaso 530
jaso semi bo ho now the nenam so ti azie
one fan for hosa na nye dey
ye reken ena no eyi mu coach free abo samabu adu
yeah
ka mo na ye toma eyi ye friend say papich no And yeah.
Or the attending Kaka.
Unim say, Anka, who you local coach now to full power. Your residence. But this coach, because no magic baby come at them opening. Nina, the man come. What I say? It say you see he who calls for equity.
So come with clean hands.
But Obia unse carry the man on yes of a coach. As you can't say be a canon and never bra now chapa. Kotokodi kantite kotokodi ni kantino omutimi mom bibia so so ko bisa na ka just me sika na en kotoko fo jam sa no kitaka no
ana wuchi
na wo ka we ndɛ wo so
bia obekobi ade kai ni na monchi
kotoko fo mo ya sa de e me de pass wa condemn sa activate
me ena me
ka say can away
maso ho ba mo so bubu kana ma no na bitua wo hwa no makasa mo tie free sika na e wo de ade se mo han cars kotoko fo mo rent cars ya
na so watwi ayi adwuma yi ya free nsem na kai na otimu na wutwia ni
say na for official
official no so wawie ndadaada
so etwi
oga so etwi abani etwi na inji ba o de ba bezi wa
na ada inji body
they say inji ni shocks
asem no kan fine example say no ye kotokofo ye no enye na kwaya mo de boso ekuna du nam so no
enye me ka say enye but ewia so
enye bia nya kai
ewia so we from sa obani o sho de what I say team ni de ne ka a o muntua ye a ono kra pe ko be fa so be gini sika no akọ report am status committee eye but
edu kwa to man kabulu so mo kase mo buka kama no so wan from on kodi an kama buka kama no kwa ku ba me bisa question ba ko all this while from December till now no anaka no wona na mo kan ho asem no kotoko management what were they thinking
why na ka cho say kan ho asem
oh no
kan no he no bi anti
ko be kase bi kase me from na man fan ko and maso ko du so oni right bi say kotoko se kan na odi adwuma fa bra be kase me fan ko obani mi kase o ti ase
because it's not even registered in your name.
Yo baby, I no be nya ka ho. Last time here.
Obani yo kotoko camp there.
Grand Cherokee say no nya bi.
Onya Cherokee.
No ntwima ne say tintina ye de ba ku ya. Ye di si wa ma e coach.
Ba na mo kara kra wontwimpo. About possession. Ba no wontwi. Cause I know maso say
ka na ba so no ntwi.
Oh, paso na nkwane ne ka. Nya bia so say Grand Cherokee ko nya bi. But ominim say no tie me bi ko ka no park esi ho. But what package so kotoko so ebu come and say ontua na
it's why several changes we do zoni mu a so package wa
300,000 ahan dollars
aka baga from ba ngom ka mo fancy fie
o say ya mo disio
obe betu na pe ba bi we na achi ene nkura ba no mo keka nhomam
nkura na ba no ko garage ko wi ahoma
oh
na kura nipa kwa yo mo camp di asem de so abama muti na fa no antudwa na yese kotoko ebenya $62,500 ka fi ya mo kokko ya o man ko duru ba bia yi e de chese FIFA disika bia ba se corona ntini pa bre se na mo boss cap no enti ba bi obi aduru ye bia no kakra ho ide be mo
okay
and se kotoko kotoko enyi $62,500 fancy sankunya ba ro ka kotoko boy in and out home ni away match some boy but put it free mu kwa na we no I say abrewa wu na ade akakra di ade
so
ni just say ye na enche na
afa sa ba bisi
mu no so mai iska kakra onti
say sika ne bia mo je kwose no
usu ka ho aya susu
last year mo je kwose no de bia mo je kwose no
next year akra beza ya kwose no
ka sika na fo enim nya sa last year the house na eko wa obehu ya kwaje camp ne de aba abeboa kwaku corona no yetimi matena ayanka ho asem
awudi timbe na ekoje kapa ba
akra so fo ye ayankwada nkwala na captain under 20
ovuka
ovuka na the person chesa akra so fo ntimi nkonkoje kapa what question
enye sesei
yani Africa da na
Africa just one currently ometima maintain for about 3 years I'm telling you it's a fact
yani bi da na
eno so enye adwuma
so wo mitimi na
obani
ene be yire o
se ayi wafafo e mo nse nkwala ni nya park perform team bobo mo twi suagu Accra Sports Stadium amankora yi na be wo atacha match mo for name to
obani unim TBF na Elimina Sharks pa ko sinum na ngaza timi yan dia Accra no ya guni bank na ni abre
nti nye ne e be hye no ama ne wra ahowo mu
na ni abre o Elimina Sharks no pa ko si bank ya guna ni abre kotoko
osan ho yare wo US Aishi.
US one. Kotoko apro atete asenti
I disassociate myself from that statement.
Apro atete asenti. Anya ho na me ka.
I disassociate myself.
My body flow.
Benjamin Osempo for the year.
Who the Benjamin?
Oh yeah. I disassociate myself.
Akwedi atete. Benjamin. Senti na ya unta mo sui.
Kwame na udin say ni Bible mu.
Da bi Benjamin je kan da.
Udin o Bible mu.
Benjamin
Kasagu Michael.
Udin o Bible mu.
Mi di o
Bible mu.
De Kwame no. Kwame. O se Kwame ni Bible mu.
Nakopo ko de Kwame.
Chedi ampon Kwame.
William na me bisa nse o Bible mu ana.
William de say ni Bible. Na ada say di o Bible ma sana di mu.
Eza mo fa no form.
Elimina Sharks atri ko ba se atri ko asa no.
Okay.
Ata se obi adwin wa ntia se titimi ya.
Ni wi am cheche wase.
Ya mama kwanya mom ko bo Africa in Ghana for ne da na.
Chese kotoko elusu.
Tim na so ne hiu. Elusu ya elusu.
Mr. Oman hene so ono so de Benjamin. Intino memo ayo say.
President.
Oman hene kwamraza. Ono so ono so de Benjamin.
Chairman no ba chairman Benjamin ya nya sesa no.
Israel ye nyankopon ekrokro. Oman pania otra man Benjamin Netanyahu.
Daddy Benjamin.
Daddy opani. Come now Benjamin.
Na na do di William.
William ni ngade kitwa. Ina mamu no. Abi get with you. Mamu na. Professor you. Mamu na ede. Positina mamu no kade o kan to afi. Not the William, me na do na name.
Sir, we a serious guy. We a serious guy.
Obeni.
Come away.
Asamoah Kwame kan say Omina Sharks.
Enye.
Unim say Kotoko enkwa na league ya yebo yi. E wo two outstanding matches a. Osha league no kra and still obetimi age. Omina Sharks. Team no Dr. Papa Kosindi. Sebe.
Enko.
Sebe impredi asa.
Baby akode enko.
Wadi amia. Wadi amia ntem ni. Nya dwuma ba go pe na agu o. We gian bank ya Goko
security so.
What I say. Mi TV kwa minim se na nsen won hwa.
Ebe gina wona na so ebe hwe de no so ya no dance.
Nti nye yen na ye kwa akosha ma team no so akore league.
Eso na mu de Kotoko na ye humobro.
O de me ba. Na afei. Nipa okochi team ni say na no ya no mdi team ne ma no. The first match kwa no ne ebo yi.
Okay.
Ni din any ni odatelamti.
Okay.
Papa yin nyina ni masam a etu no kuro yi.
Wa! Na say no de atwam acha. Na say.
My way dia.
Atwam.
That's about okay.
Yin nyina ni masam a to man yi okuro yi mu acha say. Ye di ho abubu a.
Etu person che say they affecting the competence.
Huh?
They affecting the competence.
Asa ma mi nwi na ye mi interview.
Go ahead.
Ana mi nya na wa kan.
Me pacho go ahead.
Odate si obi abebo Kotoko na nu ye ya asa no ne bo ebe wiye. Itenye asema tu ni ye de ani to na ye hwe so se obo Kotoko na ye se ko kana kira enye fine. Etisha Omina Sharks share me ha me team am se Ghana ha o share e kama kuma pa ya house of book.
Okay.
What I say? Omina Sharks share ya. Bi so mo share ye nyina achi ni o too much so kira ye share wie sesi ya ba bi.
One share.
Oh, ya nshakra na sto ya gi league chem bibre. Eti ha na league ozo nya de am betimi ade.
Osusu nti hunyi, osusu hunyi.
Mo coach ya ba yi. Broni oba wan hyensia.
Eh, da bi coach we ni ma wo ye.
Me
Coach we ni mo ye. Coach na me ba ben ka hwe.
Coach o si jama no.
The youngest coach na wo kroma na dwuma wo ye. Oh, how to folk dia ko. Hey!
Obani.
Akoni coach ni obani.
Broni coach no ba. Broni coach no ba o hyensia nyina. Eyi akire na vedie.
Azania sa Pep Guardiola consulting.
And we dey no crack.
Edu eba no ahye na ya nyem nwanwa.
Kwakure matare mu nusu ni sa supporters ni bre. Jeko Peter ya me dia mo foto no omo hwe. Supporter ba ko.
Okay.
Otimi nsori kura free ho no
waka seat no so.
Oh. Wo ya sa nye. Kotoko fo mo ya sa enye.
Waka seat no so.
On say papa on kan no kura.
Otimi nsori.
Waka seat no so.
Yeah, Oko Omina Sharks for stadium on. Seat be here.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'm telling you.
Ode Jeko fatu na viewers na omo anjaje.
What dress?
Jeko de wa fatu na viewers na omo anjaje.
Una we ne krako fio ne yire ne manchai.
E be yire.
Hwede oye akọ park. Akọ perfect.
E be yire.
Na anim guase enti.
E be yire pa.
Waka stadium.
Anye bi pa.
What's Akwana stadium?
E be yire.
They say wa fa Dankuni Nkrumah Anko stadium.
Papa ko Kofi Anu Mankrofo e bia. What's waka ho?
Kofi Anu Mankrofo we.
Nde ja we me ha ma bi.
Kai wo be ma kai.
Ngo ka de. Oh bari the body pita na to.
Ode ato. Aha, mo Facebook mo me.
Support am waka park ne so.
Ba o wa de. Osha background Nidia, Kameya believe your opening.
Me say, you make an idea. Say,
Kotoko support.
To help you, and them not the two.
There be Neraho.
We have a place and what you
Neraho,
and need them what you
Neraho.
And we don't know, I say, and you are saying, and you here for to go. Oh, come on, and put them. As I said, Tim, no abysmal performance. What I say, because of the abysmal performance of Kumasa Santo Kotokono, people are suffering.
I saw the Vimo, the cast story with you.
Supporter, you have to think of supporters. I say, which has a focus of supporter, they're not all stressing. So I said, we need galore.
Okay.
So to some of
yeah.
Winning galore.
We need to.
We are on a winning spree.
I swear.
That's how I say.
My afa too much.
Winning spree.
Afa dodo.
Win after win.
Afa.
So what I say.
Esiso.
The other four supporters and you get before I get
on. Jenna or him phone. One that and I get you now, boss. And I get you now. Costa Papita, I don't give you Gamma for a brand. Yes, eh? The court or crown, one turn and Jay Wolf and Katia Bandiana. Costa Papita, don't give me Gamma pain. The last time I'm looking legal, Costa Papita, and Jama, or a greedy man. Over 10 years in it, all grow by 1 Gianna.
Sir.
Sunday, man, I'm much saying, because for 1 week, I must say,
good afternoon, please. Today is my grandfather's birthday. Nana to Fuhine of Equiape Mampon. And also 40 years. And I will do Akunyasu, Yednisi Akunyasu. Oh, okay. Inti, we free Nanajan. Also free Equiape Mampon, hold mine.
We said today
to Fuhine.
Okay.
I'll work Equiape Mampon.
We say today is my father's birthday. His name is JB Dankwa from Nkoko in Suta.
Okay.
Today is 83 years old from Danta in Tema. May the good Lord bless him very much.
You go. Picture on a photo of my wife. Okay. Correct. A great Olympics for Twitter page. I don't get to.
I'm so myself of his too. But we don't go full steps around to be pregnant.
Yeah, come stone.
Special here now. Omako try the picture. I'm there to Omaiso. Only for a grow money so far. Who prepare for train and oh, if I don't count. Sports Obama.
Mama Facebook na mama Facebook na mama. And na mama dey abon.
Na Obama Australia.
And na mama dey abon. And mama dey abon hashtag that day. Mama Facebook say mama Facebook.
Mama na yam fiam say na ze relax boni bia o.
Chale ma say ko bi so funa ba o. Na funa ba pa no betumi abode.
Sports Obama na asa bebe.
Ya mama hold Facebook.
E di say radio yam fa dem to ne.
Yeah, you
mama Facebook ko
Marco Biston, the Ohana 9 dia.
Obabo.
One have a case of water, but
I'm going to finish way.
The food in the only defense.
Biston, we're going to for 2 passes.
Samu.
But if you put the other bone, they do say, Yamam, who pass in the Bina. Near body crossing, won't. Because that passes my way a book crossing. And that's a lot of the fittest.
Yeah.
And I said, I don't disturb was power mine. Was no speed. From your Panama pass some cross. Every 2 passes.
Straight up.
But we don't enter in for 2 passes.
Yeah, sure. On the Western region, I know it's serious. Yeah.
The whole of this year, no, my realm was sad. The whole of this year.
I'm quite out of the
no matter how I come, but say, I told him, yeah, swim to you.
Okay, yeah, we'll check. Hello, Kobe. Kobe Jinaso. Kobe Jinaso, near Kasari, what I said, so be Jinaso, and Waka say,
time now, yeah,
sir.
30 minutes waiting.
Yes, Mamma, say, baby, a penny for me, mo ananse task force bi ba on be mu on nti yo so mo ko ebunum bi
sa ene ebunum mu ho no nso ro mo say wɔn wɔ ɛyɛ wɔn abosom ɛwɔ hɔ.
ɛna kyerɛ sɛ onipa kura mpo ewu mysterious.
ɛna abosom no hɔ no yɛn mpɛ sɛ obi akɔ akɔkɔ di agorɔ. na
papa bakɔ asɛ ɔka deɛ no kura deɛ a wɔsi condoms ɛne ɛnsan yanom to a ɛna ekuku hɔ bebree ɛfam ɛbi na nkwadaa ne yɛ.
saa de no nso deɛ ɛna abosom no kyiw.
nkwadaa ne bi ebie gya ɛwɔ mpona no.
nsuo ano rɔ ne nam sɛ ɔyɛ mpɛpɛ.
ɛnyɛ o ɛpoano na wokɔ akɔfɔ ɔbaa wɔ mpoano ɛnyɛ o.
ayi deɛ ɛfa
tɛfo yi. dabi ɛfa ha yi deɛ yi.
Ai,
ọdún ọmọ kan bíbí sa.
Deɛ bi sa bu.
Ɛnse nsuo mpepo no kura.
Wúni anokura wɔ wɔn ani. Ɛ musa ewi ase no.
Nsuo mpepo no.
Nsuo mpɛ.
Sosom ɛne anibie bi a ɛbɛn ti no. Yɛ nneɛma bi a ne yɛ sori fɛs no.
Saa.
Yɛ yi ase afiri so basa ɔku. Petro fidie so akasɛ. Saa nneɛma ne ni hɔ kwa. Emi kurom yɛ fira nsuo bi nkɔkɔ. Dɛ nipa mmiɛnsa kɔ toilet wɔ mu. Obi efuru ho yɛ ma ne wu yɛ. I remember. I remember their names. Nkɔkɔ obi ofia beti bi anim hɔ.
Saa.
Nsuo yɛ tuoma yɛ sa no. Nkɔ gya ɔma na egu mu.
Saa.
Ɔmo kɔ 1-1 saa. Wɔyɛ fu ho no wɔwu. Wɔyɛ fu. It is third one na sa na ɔkasɛ.
Say no mkɔyɛ. Okay.
Obi pɛ so you free ya so kra. Ɔfo ɔgya nan na ɔde control.
Na bi ɛnde ɛyɛ sa de ɛnyɛ yie. Kwaku sa ne ma no ɛni hɔ kwa.
Ɛwɔ hɔ for a reason.
Sɛ wɔdɔ ma yɛ ba ɛnyɛ mpoano.
Ɛnyɛ mpoano. Ɛnyɛ nsuom river lake mu.
Ɔmo de kyɛ sɛ papa ne kyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɔ me bɔ.
Ɛnyɛ mo yɛ no sɛ yeyi wɔ ani so amo ahra. Mpanifo kra ntimi nye o.
Dabi o. Ɔpani wo betire bi agya ɛwɔ mpoano.
Dabi nsuro. Ɔba deɛ na nsuro.
Swimming pool
the manageable. Swimming pool the manageable.
Swimming pool the way bi da.
Manageable.
David.
Na swimming pool kwa mi bisa sɛ ɛno yɛ ensuo ɛnkɔ ɛma no ho.
Wo bisa me na wo sɛ wo nim.
Nim de me yɛ dwuma swimming pool.
And I know him so that you know.
Ana sɛ
yɛkɔ kwawi. Tama na openi. Ɛne na damfo t-shirt as we did by mutu. Na wo so all the mechi.
Committee meeting but me ma gina me science ne sɛ ɛyɛ ensuo ɛmfa ho ɛnkɔ.
Mpanifo munu ya gina ho ma no so.
Answer na be kɔ bi so no. Oni dwuma bi adi olive.
Kɔbi oni dwuma bi adi wa ho.
I say shout out to staff of Tropical Freight International.
Ɔsi nya o.
Tropical Freight International for na Monica Ansa, Belinda Ewusa, Leticia Amo, Besiwa Hazel. Ena Theodora Adumako a full scalp. Ena you go for your list to ascend ya papacho. Afi come stone.
Chairman.
Awu leave no obi na so wasena na say kakra wonya no. You go hotel bi a wo take a photo by you fie.
Oh very. Na me ado me ba question we mama my japade kakra o.
Okay. Eti why is me?
Eti baby a ugina ne ye wa waja pade on.
Ba kono de me waja pade.
Me da se bebre me ma je ko dia to. Na ya do waja pade. Ansa kra ne be ko san ya.
Yeah, mama Facebook na mama help pictures. Mama Facebook na mama hadi. Mama Facebook na mama hadi.
Afa if you want to balance omo de omo ka won kan so mbe do sika. I have a catch myself lady you waja pade.
Me ya na dia to. But anything to us na ya de ko bi store ga pade ne to. Enti be ya na mamfo. E be hu sampa.
Eja tro na odi.
Let's get shot at you.
Sa.
Umami
black guy.
Yeah.
Wadaroba. Go to show is here. Hey about Ejapade who interview here na about the other interview.
Uti fie na do person be video so.
Ninja wu.
Kabere you go real picture na say
obere abogwe dey.
Come so wo.
Then you say udu sika nyina talk ya ba o. Because you are saying say Ejapade won. You go home pictures now.
Yeah, go put for the platform top. Put Fatu Facebook. Yeah, money on Facebook. Money on Facebook. Money on Facebook. I'm on Ejapade no. I'm on Ejapade no.
You go say say because you say o say Ejapade ni. O ties the crowd from one ties the control.
Hey,
Olympics new signing. Then you giga one and there. DJ I wanna be see a Blaster House. I wanna be see Blaster House. Come on, I say Olympics for Sawana.
Olympics for Sawana. The German Obama there. Now come on, come on, pick him at the dada. I don't know money after a boy, you know. Now come on, pick him at the dada. It was a modern costume. Several coaches set up on 2 positions. First one, the camp on left back. And we and our share now. As an abuse, no, you know, no, mammy, some quenim. The couple, right, left top, or after number 3 and number 11. The one and done, remember, Gina, Concayan.
Coach, no, now be the new one and say, I
know what can Cassa de Wamba now. After game, no, I'm saying go for the videos near the ABC and SNL. Eti over no see ko bi se enye radio so kasa fe so ni mbo pa na so ko ni ya me adoma yen ka wa sem cheke over over said that me warm up na dey bana se foto we no o se na afi na me ye warm up kra dia ba game ni mu
e na fifre tu say
o se
e na fifre tu sa no
so ni na warm up na wo se one me years and until man them players in the play and no more play no board ya wo ko ba so di ka warm up no say fufu na so fine je ba sa wo
ma ko bi stone o picture ya ba ya o say wo mo apibia me sure ma utu sa no wa bre pa o
na me mbre na fe kwa me be kom ana wo say da ni mali mi
okay ni mi
because na me mbre o bi ni pa o say we know Obama the no abre who say the other guy no
okoto de ne bodwe
ono abre ba o vera ba me de na me mre ye no na nye sumo but then I was a nice I can say only 24 no me ni and I was say ma we switch no ama me pese me ma me ti so de ama o o say ga je ye radio na ya tie ho asim se be o de ball no kokan wa na ko
Daddy, I share overheating, bet you, and you can't crack. What the more come overheating, bet you, and one on a simple why?
Overheating,
black guy. I'm running.
Enjoy holidays, and I enjoy your leave. Why?
Because it's all about the bank, because I'm about Sanamaco.
Oh, by the other about the bank.
Name Aduma by 15th. Na 10 days na so.
Okay.
Ntaire so by 16th the obe humanim.
Okay.
They see how he says yeah.
Ose.
They see how he.
Oh my bank ba message to kwan kakra.
Okay. Abrochire na Ghana yeah.
Oh kwa abrochire.
Share.
Kwa na say me no dey onum say me
abrochire kama Jimmy kwa bisto kwa abrochire. Kwa bisto nyasi ya kwa bobo. Kwasi chum ekoko yina ayi ne bank sikari man so nkonko hwe bi oni konya bi o de kwa abrochire.
Kwame point of correction. Onum say dia aduma ye nyina obia in the department no e wa kwenya so betimi atukwan.
But odi e won for second to kwada.
Black eye two way. O wa kwenya.
Chaso.
Me say o market the secret no you don't want to accept it. When you do that you can always go. And you say obi na person obeko.
Ade ma cho say me pe kwan bi atuara. Me say won for second to kwada true or false. On for second trap play true or false.
Baby I fine.
Yes.
As I know what come me say apart from constitution sika on for second to kwada true or false.
And I'm see baby I fine.
Charlie that's it. Enjoy your
leave. Me tell me sister about Kellen, Texas. The funny Ruby Ajima I'm
also abusu ani ni abucha how can I say?
Texas. Mo Texas no.
Texas.
I am abusu for the Texas. Kellen, Texas. 21 so our dollars.
Okay.
And Timakola African mono African shop no. My sister ne dia. Ni kunzu ni Mr. Ajima.
Okay.
Ono ne money nyina me chat show mana. Ai Bajima so honorable Bajima so. Me chia na me chia K Ofori of K Ofori Limited.
Yeah.
Me chia man no.
Yeah.
Chia na wife na busu afo nyina.
Of course.
We dey di holiday ntino. Yeah, akai ochina ne boa. Na Tuesday.
And then Tuesday.
Daka Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, the weekend.
Don't be see na ochina.
Okay. Quite about them at the Nation's MC. Jaisu WMP capsules. Mr. Share who be here say obody na udi digum. O no monsa gum. O we nyama gumu no. Who be here say ubetumi asamfru mu na we ye fi any impruka bi ababeja wo body no e de afrim wo ade ba ko betumi aboa na excess fat na tumi afrim cholesterol na tumi afrim atumi apege o body no eyi efin ne gas nyina afrim wo edro no eye Jaisu WMP capsules Jaisu WMP capsules and then you come for a day amawo Dr. Shadrach Kwabena Intrakwa our Jaisu one more branch back wa Milton Keynes United Kingdom abonten so say o tie na o UK na o suffer from any yadie bia no to Gideana Mona for any tre Milton Keynes ho and abehunu Jaisu now ne Dr. Shadrach Kwabena Intrakwa and you can come on the telephone number is 0044 744 071 0664 0044 744 071 0664 na only Dr. Entwetwen komo Ghana nso ana enkan kodo ma obehu won asye Jaisu asye wa blekuma olebu 6 to 6 down ho na behunu won obenya wo mundo ni bi ato na naboache herbal na mensa nimdie herbal King's Walk Repart Ventures any baby atondro bia odu akasa ope Jaisu WMP capsules for 0244 529 398 0244 529 398 na only want to me entry and come people of Ghana, this is the time I was also to me a player, not just a viewer. BetBoro, BetBoro Ghana, the new sports betting arena crampa, my live betting for sporty events, Nina, my casino new games from all around the world. BetBoro Ghana, and the best odds, best offers, and the chance I'll be to me a secure winning before the final whistle. And if you were to me, I cash it out with any option, or share a easy ankasa uwini so onsa eka osika no BetBoro Ghana Limited amount 400 Ghana cedis in free bet and until visit betboro.com.gh promotions today for amazing offers betboro.com.gh sports is a passion, betting is our sports. Posini Drono and one in boost herbal mixture. Posini Drono and one in boost herbal mixture. Posinina Druno and one imboost herbal mixture. Pebinum na entumi emwao na emboostu immune system no emfama senya be yade bia mbo by heart am pani kra chirem say we are not in normal times and nti eba ni say na ho behia say obe boostu immune system no boostu immune system na edru a wo use so e posinina dru aye frɛ no imboost herbal mixture. Imboost herbal mixture. Ubenya biato our license cam cash or pharmacy shop herbal shop biemo ewo o my Ghana muha open dodo etua for 0243 15 0243 115 948 0243 115 948 na one mpenifo entumi entwetwen kom yebeti waso pem na dodo bia nso a wohia no yede abroye fasidan from my Royal Drinks ye fasidan from my Nokia and afi Go TV our fantastic offer e de ma bosumi ankoko pem na wie ye 31st match free na ko si 31st match no Go TV so ayede with a discounted price of 60 Ghana cedis. Oh, Babe, enjoy it. A year TV viewing experience. Drama, Ankasa, Rock GH, Africa Magic, Spice Hot telenovelas, fresh from Star Life, international series. Ready? Go TV for Chagua. Also, no abusia from between me enjoy. Inti connect it via the My Go TV app. Pay by the agent and I send the SMS for 1731. Go TV. I say, love it in a grand style. Ankasa. Yeko animu no aha Adom 106.3 FM. Na make out say color party is on. Color party ola bawo. Mark the date. Saturday 27th March busumi ye ampaya eja color bang and I will share white and I will share orange black and I will share blue and I will share red. Your favorite presenters, your favorite programs any day, your favorite color any day. Yeah, baby, having a great time this year. Adom FM Color Party 2021 Saturday, 27th March near the media. So a virtual to bet me a share our phone, so bet me a share our tablet, so bet me a share our laptop, so bet me a TV, so the beer will be from the comfort of your home. So catch more details at Adom FM. So your sister stations, so you're promoting a big time Color Party. I see. Ola Bawo.
for you.
OBO.
It's Mix Master this one. Waiting I go do for you. Get the fuck out of my mind. Out of my mind. Waiting I go do for you. Kaya mata for you. On top your mata for you. Plenty raba for you. Plenty raba Kaya mata for you. On top your mata for you. Plenty raba for you.
Baby, who da ma fool? I'ma let you activate me. You captivate me. You dey calculate me. You dey saturate me. I'ma get you activate me.
You activate me.
You dey calculate me. You dey activate me.
You activate me.
Woman, they got a back a very big and never sing. Take over the thing, front page magazine. You feel know you are the girl I'm a thing. Woman, they got a back a very big and never sing. You make a Batman one do the thing. Long time you are the woman of the dream. One God will be up on the thing.
I wanna believe her, she was a diva. Oh girl, you have my dream. I'm a 1B, let me get that thing. Dealing with combination beam. But I wanted to keep her, but she be cheater. Me, I don't want no relationship. I'm a 1B, let's make some kiss. I'ma tell me what's your decision. Kaya mata for you. On top your mata for you. Plenty raba for you. Plenty raba Kaya mata for you. On top your mata for you. Plenty raba for you.
Baby, who da ma fool? I'ma let you activate me. You captivate me. You dey calculate me. You dey saturate me. I'ma get you activate me.
You activate me.
You calculate me. You dey activate me.
Send your broken heart as I walk come up one of my me all day. All day. And the area the love I have no be joke my baby. Baby. Inti
Jim FM.
Mami bonko.
Jim FM.
I will love you very well.
Boy, the job with you, I'm about to say no. What I would do to me, Yano. Would him say that you crowd a banner? And you will hear my brother feel what down on horse. What's the one pill? We never for since you have a bass of man, we give my whole door. First, and I can win, I want to swear. I saw corner from brother, bet you will poor. Buy him my paper with him when he's soon. I met you. Coaching us solo, I will to fame at you. And I'm the summer, they can't pick up a real. Forget the body, they be no better. We be drew on and I'm a foul dada. But I work, I want to be go on the Amman Gaba. May I want in Tino, and I hear my casa. Which you mammy, I made Jimmy and Taba, or Donna Chen the Quaqua.
Send your broken heart as I walk come up one of my me all day. All day. And the area the love I have no be joke. Baby. Inti for a me chain, mami bon como be. Me come on in the day. For my mama so yeah.
Ofia Kwan
Wa guy you person obesisa. Also why you say wunsu wuntua. Wantua dia ono so befa ne ho adwie o. I'm telling you. I aboba ne ho ka. Kire ne se wo do no. Bo ne ho ka. E de na de se wakwa akwaje hamper no full of fan yogo. Fan yogo form products different ones that she should move. No packaging the come up now they are shawachi. That's a darling have a surprise where you for so romantic. Who's couldn't be so person chubi adia chen fan you go we did not turn the door say yes we near be but you know what I was so to me shine no hustle no well I don't think I did juma pa na wo ye hwe adwuma bi a wo ye no say one package wo hu yi a wo obi anso ni ho be fa serious I'm telling you so person e fa serious a wadwuma no fa ne serious it's said trotro mate say wasesa they say trotro mate asesa they say trotro mate the internal coordinator of transportation they say ko bi krasi en friend tilapia no wonder krasi your tombo fruit to krasi ono nso ono na adwuma no e serious pa ono o distribute golden deep fried spherical yeast dough balls Charlie Bofro seller why guy pa Bofro seller what do you sell? I sell golden deep fried spherical yeast dough balls. Awadia what can what you see? Yes, a branding no. Position farm milk vendor. Also, a human say, me a sole proprietor who delights all person with hygienically packed nutritional delicacies. Hey, bro, funny. It's all ton farm milk. A human being now, yeah. Or branding say, that position who you na brand who you. Now, what about you? What is your hustle? Energize and refresh yourself anytime you are with Fan Yogo. Why? Remember to shine your hustle every day. Or shining so I make sure say Fan Yogo. And are they shining all the time? Check. Say yeah, come material. Yeah, the pama dear would no doubt. So person pam watade pa na yehu se wo ho efe atade ne show ma ugina atade di mo atum se everyone pa slay for Ghana who slay for Ghana they are nan brand that who use eye woodin no see le creator brand be show mo various designs different colors FAE pa woodin e shops ni bi Accra mall wo bi ANC mall wo bi Junction mall Osu Oxford Street High Street and so ben City Car Park building ni pa in Kumasi so be hu Kumasi City Mall and Edum Unicorn House Cape Coast Shusha within office no one more P80 building in one Ben Kingsway ye Takra den so be hu within our market circle before dia one Antarctic building no or Antarctic building ni mo hope and in the P80 building e was sundan ye can design part dia ye can quality part dia e Woody or see le creator. I have 106.3 FM. I do my family. And therefore, Moamin Chabobo Tani be Emra. Not me ba. Your latest great tunes beer. Me pese me na be experience right here on Ghana's #1 radio station, no doubt. 106.3.
Color party, color party. Ghana Way, Adum FM, Adum TV, Asem Perfect, and Adum Online, Asandia Benja. 2021 Adum Color Party. Nafi, COVID-19, yeah, virtual. Aye, Nanso, Stereo, I need Jenny, I change Jenny. 2021 Adum Color Party. And Paso 27th March. Color see what you're wearing your favorite presenter color. One so feel green and now white, orange and now black, red and now blue. And for to me, my be Jenya Cassia Betcha, Tanya Betcha, Pampers, home appliances, coupons, and a Piaga. I need you know, Shasia Debia. And I want to be away and shows a hot water so cop him 27th March. And the catch of Yasa, I feel Adum Color Party never pass 27th March 2021. Adum 106.3 FM, Asempa 94.7, Adum TV, and AdumOnline.com. The Adum Color Party to my day, bro. Adum Color Party! Show me your colors!
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
It's been long since you ever felt like this. No one else can make you feel home like this. To a place where you belong. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Efie Yema Akwaba Magic ewo DSTV channel 150 so. Twa DSTV Compact, DSTV Compact Plus, and a DSTV Premium Nutum. Na yenchire wo original Ghanaian entertainment papa. DSTV, it's your moment.
Ghanaian entertainment.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm chino. Hawaii. Me, you funny. No more bomu. No, baby, sure, I'm no kuno. And here, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here, Kobe. We am bedroom, Marija, Papa Brown, Sana Waba. So, a constipation, I am trying. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, Baba William so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am trying. To host the sumo to plenary you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Your fan, Macha. On turn upon a William Algo fine. Maybe very son. San Jaisu Yaba clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. I can do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Otopia ni hwa to say enado opia so ntumi embo wo hoban se nya wa wo beye ebo samre yi pa ni hia se ye boye ma hoban efi biara ebetumi ama wo ayare enuti na ye di iron ni vitamin C and D aka ni do ho a ebo abo omo hoban ma wonya ni pa nya ni nro mu ma woni do Nido, your love, their future.
We all remember our first, don't we? Your first job, your first road trip, first time you fell in love, your first pet, your first ride in a posh car, and on and on. So make your first smartphone experience special with the Samsung Galaxy A02. Capture all your memories with its dual camera and preserve them in 64 gigabytes of awesome memory. Be as boundless as its amazing screen and keep going with 5,000 mAh of battery power. The Samsung Galaxy A02 lets you talk, chat, snap for longer, so each time is just like the first time. Visit your nearest Samsung shop and make the Samsung Galaxy A02 your first choice at 679 CDs for the 64 gigabyte memory option or 559 CDs for the 32 gigabyte option. Terms and conditions apply.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. Charges some 380 CDs. We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me atie. Se we be move work Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na emum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash so a free. We send this ka free Vodafone cash. Akwa network bia so eno so ye free. Masa into work catcher. What that so ye then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash say hey, masa, you chip not to ball a musisia. I know, say dear, we send this car of Vodafone cash so I can network beer swa a free. Send this car do beer and prend do beer con network beer so free. Dial star 110 hash say in a send this car.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Our bells bomb station ID back on Pamanum.
Jim FM.
Fantastic. Bonjour on Facebook. Sister Sandy be a guy and then apparel the combination they buy inside and easy and why the pa no asa share sa about time no mo chena mo tidwom mo ton to sa e chena show mo kakra no round one from coming Kroma days ha chena no mo she no and no na she no a or the eba hands is numbers now starting rising tin person me hit be 500 Sister Sandy ya bo trainer me fa HD TV no and fa hwim because who say oh share program favorite program to say fan say ahosepe e wo bedwam so na say ene bisanyom na ye na say hu ade ni ya enye fe oh dem hu picture quality ni ya enye fe enti ehu behia say free na ko ne fie bia ye benya ni ye new HD plus decoder no wow ye new HD plus decoder no from any dealer bia ho betumi akọ Electroland showroom nationwide branch bia Freely experience on a HD TV like never before. Visit www.hdplus.com.gh and answer for 0242 439 872 0242 439 872. Now only one kasada also to me kwaje or flat screen HD TV heavy one power HD plus decoder at the year. They say they by kind courtesy Vodafone. The future is excited. Never. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Yes, into Swahao, Macono, into snow, Macono. Bye. Oh, yeah.
Into Oshani saying.
Meshano
Olonkano say
Olonkano 200 cedis.
You na dia waboabo agu we
I don't say 55 cedis.
55 cedis. You na bayre no so bayre na epo na na dente.
Bayre no say ye buno 4 die. Chechi me ho na aduane pafiri.
Wo mo no mu di Apo festival.
No Apo ne bayre die. Enti na ho no udu ho no mu aduane say enti me de bankran na efo.
Okay.
And buno ne wo no. Ghana man buno ene wo.
Sir, but why for too much? E che hyewo duku a wabo wase. Okaba washe ubi segu kom like why for too much.
Oh my god, it was a Ghana. So yesterday.
Yeah, was ampa.
Say Adum TV.
Say Adum TV.
Na ya tough so said
Adum FM.
Already. Oh why you feel. To me akono.
Sister dear. Mama feel.
The way me ba akwa ma.
Tell us again cause in the world of entertainment.
No like me ba na ensem bi akokoko.
Ojabe ono no WhatsApp ko Facebook wo.
I say me ho making kan mo ni e
who aje. Monja ni on Facebook na mo he sister no why for too much.
Me e ba boy ma me no mo ton ade nyina ba so. E ma me no mo di dwa. Na buno man for what a casan kakra to ben sorry.
Mention that you good. And the or my hene kwabna santi na you.
I was on no bono hono.
My kwabna santi.
Be kakra be mami.
Be day.
Be kakra.
Be day.
I say for bono fog na be bubu agu be kakra.
Be day mo fa che you buagu. You buagu bi akọ. You buagu bi akọ.
E dey bono ne wo Ghana month no dey bia yi kro ba akọ.
That's right.
Me a celebrate your mo. Okay. Kro a omo supply nuane. E ma o my Ghana pa bono ka ho.
Pa.
Bono e ka ho. Niane die
omo mu akote na nkasa
enti na dwadifo ne kwayofo nyina wo ho no kwafo nyina no ya mama
ayiko
ya min shram no ntonsion mu so na mo
mo amudua nuaba no mo amudua maye ne mo amo transport de afi aba nya min shram because mo anya adwuma na nka komedi ese ni ka komedi yo
hey wo mo nim de wo mo
e ka komedi yo
yes de ka komedi de
papa
komedi pa komedi na black unim baby
kasa
Ghana man back on consensus na mun framem.
Sir.
Information okrom.
Mindu mo mic na na.
The wood do na be the matter. Okay. See me di kongo say the matter me ho.
Okay.
Black. When him say say no. If you be pay and keep quiet. E we industry mo.
Tia na ye di.
Ampa. Pay and keep quiet. And no asem was say a month won say no be have jiska no agye akugina mu. Ebi kura ye to the extent say be baby kura nyane dia. No her na ba na ye dey tag you be no agye jiska no abeye papa no.
I tell you.
Ehu. E tight.
I swear.
Na if say omo te say omo ye nyina ye nim.
Ye ni da ho.
Nemum, ye fie de ye wie
sir.
Etu de mun nkoso anye.
Nkoso anye.
Ni asie ni afie asem na ebom.
Ye di wi a.
To pantoma. Na to kro breda ho a. Me the telescope no. Me the bishop say.
I tell you.
And the concern ma sha da rafe ho.
Me aware.
No the ba chechere.
Me aware.
And some the doors because
more than parcel. DHL.
Black.
Go him.
Bebrel. Be sorry. be koto be jira ho. Bebre.
Asamu, sister.
Bebre. Oh, ezamu kokoso. Entroni mo. Entroni mo. Na me see authority ni akokodro obi twa ntro no so ho. Okona akokan na we de wom na nim de wom akira bisa ho say anga black and etna he kase ada ne saman
so
black and sembeba de ko de obi anya din
na wo so fo ani di akiri se ye
obi anya din fe wani patafo ko fe
sa
obi anya din na de on follow ade no
sa
obi anya na ni to form
sa
obi se wato bibi ade hwe no
o de hwe no monitor no
or the format for forever so oh my tomato for
obwa until that
obwa
Accra stay by plan Accra we dey
obwa George on the Of the Jungle on Facebook as Sandy I am a Bononian.
Okay,
you say waiting nice a bono for from
Bononian. Oh, okay,
yate hey black eye you like a concern for her black eye me need din sekruma for be hongon say yes be
odimi yen
omunim de wo na black ma me ncha ba ko bi na me sorry nko so obi se men kan share a few odo asam na men kan no straight men kan direct men kan jane
ko
oban so na me de message na trend say any
easy
obi be send me message say men kan share a few odo say who say fraud boy bi de na ekoji schedule oh my message ma oh black
sir
also who say fraud boy in fact say na nipa ne kan asem no minim say na down for ne fraud boy crona what discuss it to him and I say on your sofu the person who came to say on your sofu
okay
and I say minim say what fraud boys be much sound common na and I be our hair if your life they be as one women na road ni ade no minim say no they can na e facts and I say ogina bibi so a and I say social media say hunu ni bi dia but whatever no I say me say the ba no mani panati
sir
no ada ne ho so
sir
emu nche mu ne say oni chire mu a efi odo fraud boy be de neba kwa akoje wan hwe ya onye steady na ofiri mu a Ghana hu ne hu hia ma Ghana enti o chana no anopa ho sepe ye bedo kwa me cha message ni say no na ya try say be free fiodo no me friend ni show so that phone o say one ma because me friend kako
okay
me so me friend kako na me so sepala ya me nam this ID ni man social media for ya na friend kako na ko kan bi sepala
wano so ya ba ko
edi me kan pala me say bi di kuma donation di eche ntia sound
me say na punch wo mu
sepala and a girl ni bu fu say one man me show so that enti say one me ya asema be di
o ba o friend di obefa
me ni say ni but na kwan bi asema the company line bia na ndi wafa
obepeke
enti efi asema abeni mo hwe o Facebook na ati asem na
sir
mo ma efi odo aso nte say on fa call no no nya steady
that's right
na ye chire mu asay na eba God's way so say doesn't even guide black cocoa na black who fans no George of the Jungle say melenche abonofo nyina nim say benyini behoye
okay
o kan
bono na wa trama no
o kan bono Elizabeth Kellis I say I'm enjoying my fufu under my cocoa trees who can cocoa tree be one sem
ono wadua cocoa dua woni fie nti ano akotena ase
na fufu and from na be found here different
I'm telling you
tontom classroom
I'm telling you and especially se bu fie pipeline ekofa cocoa ase a modidi monto fridge da
black but I dey go phone him say city life nye do
no crew
city life nye do e plastic na ho
I'm telling you
consume mo bampe mo ataji wo pai bi arofon kate wo bobi wo your boy sorry oh wuti go adua ya se awo kan ya wo bampe se wo afuo mpa na anya haban bi na de body ani gusu na wuchi yi kontomre na anya momone na de ngugusu a black wudi we na wo firi afuo mo ba fi ade aka so be twa nua so
eradi hu ye moboda
yakupon hye obi a wo hase obi a wo abonten ho yakupon hye obi a Catherine Boache. But I say ADP or CEO Black is ADP from London.
Yeah, we cheer.
Abigail, say I love your outfit. Celebrating the Bruno people today. I'm the guy's queen. I'm out of here. Hey, but what about shirt and appeal?
Send also combination. Send also combination. To me a gina so sano. Adom 106.3 FM. Emphasize na fama Vodafone say no betumi send sika a free Vodafone so they call all the other networks free. Obi be send you sika so money you send the Enfambra Vodafone line also free and you hey no extra charges, no transactional charges, only on a Vodafone. So nti bra Vodafone so all the time na fire transactions so no a kabia ending yem faster than from a key soap. The heritage activation is on the month of March. Is celebrating Ghana and Kasa. Key soap on assurance a bema sa value na compare a bema peace of mind that nothing could ever be better. Use key soap na fahura there all the time. Ba no key at the pa key brilliant. Yeah, we should Ghana food a happy Independence Month. How about this? This is the end of our story. To God be the glory. Midi di kwesi apia metene mu de ma minua bema Jerry Justice metene mu ma no nsoro madwumade no okodi ya wakasa za ma ne mini mu nyina ne ya ti metene mama ne kakra midi ni kwesi apia betia friend Black Papa Bills ni senior producer African boy Jamestown J. Cole man ono so boy na say nkule no are ready wa mo de akankase boy mo de pa de bro man panin se mo kan ye nyina no ye ba be biem e wo twi kasem ye nyina ye tumi ate ase ne mpanimfo a